welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at one of the most commanding luxury SUVs on the road, a vehicle that blends legendary off-road roots with refined craftsmanship, cutting-edge tech, and bold presence. This is the 2026 Lexus LX 600, and while it shares DNA with the world-conquering Land Cruiser 300, make no mistake, this SUV has its own identity, its own personality, and it makes a very different kind of statement at first glance. The 2026 LX doesn't scream for attention, it speaks in quiet confidence. The design has evolved into something modern and muscular, but without abandoning the brand's distinct character. Up front, the massive spindle grille is still the centerpiece, but it's been softened just a touch compared to older models. It looks more integrated, more architectural than ornamental. Slim LED headlights stretch into the fenders with a sharp, almost futuristic expression. Below that, functional air inlets and a sculpted bumper give it a subtle, performance-ready edge. The side profile is where the LX's proportions really shine. It's tall, upright, and unmistakably purposeful. You get a strong shoulder line that runs from the headlights to the rear, giving the body a taut, athletic appearance. Massive 22-inch wheels on this trim add presence without looking oversized. Chrome accents are tastefully used around the windows, along the lower doors, just enough to give it elegance without becoming flashy. The roofline gently tapers toward the rear for a more dynamic stance while retaining tons of headroom inside. From the back, the design is simple but sharp. The new full-width LED taillight bar gives it a more contemporary, tech-forward feel. And the Lexus script replaces the old badge, marking a shift toward a more global, confident identity. A hidden tow hitch, roof spoiler, and underbody cladding remind you that yes, this luxurious machine can still haul, tow, and go off-road if you ask it to. Step inside, and this is where the Lexus LX 600 really makes its mark. The cabin is a masterclass in modern Japanese craftsmanship. It's not about flash, it's about precision, texture, and calm. Soft leather wraps nearly every surface, and it's stitched and padded with absolute care. Real wood, brushed aluminum, and even optional open-pore finishes offer a level of tactility that feels custom built in the front. You're greeted by a minimalist dash layout featuring Lexus's dual display tech setup. The upper 12.3-inch screen handles navigation and media, while the lower 7-inch screen is dedicated to climate controls and off-road data. Both are fast, fluid, and responsive. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless, and the Mark Levinson audio system, optional on this trim, is simply stunning. It turns the cabin into a concert hall with deep, rich clarity you'll feel in your chest. Seating is pure comfort. The front chairs are heated, ventilated, and offer massage in higher trims. Even second-row passengers get the same treatment, plenty of legroom, dedicated climate zones, and available captain's chairs with full recline in the ultra-luxury trim. And then there's the VIP-grade rear seat package, which replaces the third row altogether with a lounge-style configuration and even an ottoman for the right-side passenger. It's Rolls-Royce comfort, Lexus reliability. Cargo space is decent, though not best in class. The third row does eat into the load floor a bit if you go with the 7-seater, but folding everything down gives you more than enough room for road trips, gear, or weekend adventures. Under the hood, the 2026 LX 600 continues with the same 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 introduced in the previous generation. It produces 409 horsepower and 479 pounds-ft of torque, sent through a 10-speed automatic transmission and a full-time 4-wheel drive system with a low-range transfer case. This engine delivers smooth, effortless acceleration whether you're merging onto the freeway or crawling up a rocky hill. Despite its size and luxury focus, this SUV can really move. It does 0 to 60 in under 6.5 seconds thanks to that torque-rich power band. And when it comes to towing, the LX 600 is rated for 8,000 pounds, making it more than capable for boats, trailers, or even overland builds. But what's more impressive than raw numbers is how refined it all feels. The suspension uses adaptive dampers to absorb road imperfections like a sponge, and in higher trims, you get an available hydraulic active height control system that raises or lowers the SUV based on terrain or drive mode. On-road, it's whisper quiet. At speed, wind and tire noise are virtually non-existent. And off-road, it's still a Lexus smooth, capable, and shockingly calm over rough trails. Fuel economy remains respectable for the class, around 17 mpg city and 22 highway, though your real-world results will depend on how hard you push it. Lexus is expected to introduce a hybrid version sometime after launch, which could improve efficiency without sacrificing performance. Pricing for the 2026 LX 600 starts at around $92,000, and with options the ultra-luxury trim can climb past $130,000. That might sound steep, but consider what you're getting: not just a luxury SUV, but a global status icon built on one of the most reliable and proven off-road platforms in history. This isn't just comfort, it's long-term confidence. If you're shopping this segment, the LX 600 sits in a unique space. It's more rugged and dependable than a BMW X7 or Mercedes GLS, and while it may not be as tech-obsessed as a Range Rover, it's leagues ahead in reliability and ownership experience. It blends the Land Cruiser's go-anywhere bones with a quiet, calming luxury that no one else in the space quite matches. So who's this SUV really for? It's for the family that wants true luxury without sacrificing real-world capability. It's for the business executive who wants understated status without shouting. It's for adventurers who demand quality and comfort without compromise. And it's for anyone who plans to keep their vehicle 10 or 15 years, because this SUV is built to last. At the end of the day, the 2026 Lexus LX 600 stays true to its legacy. It's bold but never brash, luxurious but never wasteful, capable but never over-engineered. It's the kind of SUV that feels like an investment in quality, in durability, and in a driving experience that doesn't just meet expectations. It quietly exceeds them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 LX 600, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more long-form reviews and comparisons, and drop a comment below. Is the LX 600 the last of the true luxury SUVs? Or would you go with something more European? Let's talk. Until next time, drive smooth, live well, and I'll catch you in the next review.